Earth. Beautiful. Boundless. And brimming with life. But nature's balance is starting to slip. There's still time to effect meaningful change. We must act now to protect our planet for future generations. Born in 2005, rechargeable eneloop embodies the concept of for life and the Earth. People everywhere love its clean, functional, sustainable design. Now we embark on a new journey with eneloop. Introducing the eneloop Nature Conservation Program, empowering us to give back to nature. With your help, we can make a real difference.
I think eneloop can bring a certain contribution to the environment, and eneloop can also bring the wonderful and excellent user experience. Through this donation program, I'd like to realize the figure that the both of contribution to the environment and wonderful and excellent user experience are naturally realized. I think we have to create a society that future children can live in peace. In order to realize it, we should implement some scheme that the both of Earth and us can live together without any serious problems.
It's a modest beginning, yet a meaningful one. Join our ambition to make the initiative global, for life and the Earth, and for our children.